Yes, recording.
Alright, we're just almost done with the pump. We're going to disconnect this pump and then we'll carry on with the one after that. Now, see if we can slowly move it. There we have it. That's the one small pump that drives the hydraulics. We got that off. We're going to put that on the side here. Put in a clean container right there so it doesn't leak. We still have a little leak here. We're grabbing the leak. Now we're gonna take these bolts off and the two bolts up front, disconnect the lines, remove this big guy out of there, and then we'll be able to see what's going on further. We have a leak down underneath. There's a T in there that's leaking. So now we're at the next step here. This guy. This thing. I wonder if this is locked up right here. We're going to disconnect these lines first. Check this. The lock, and so we'll take it off here.
Yeah, it's hard to say, isn't it?
Yeah.
What else? You want me to keep recording? Or?
Just maybe shut it off with you. Here's the Tom is going to explain.
Alright, so we've taken off the primary hydraulic motor and we're left with the two secondary motors that drive the skid steer. So we've disconnected all the hydraulics. We've drained most of the oil, and now we're just getting ready to separate the two hydraulic driver motors from the engine. And there are two bolts on either side, and there's probably a splined coupling, and we're going to pull it out and lift it up with our hydraulic lift. And hopefully this gives us room to get underneath to get at that stupid leak.
It's right underneath.
And it's right underneath.
Yeah.
There's no access panel in the bottom. And we're just going to see what we can do here to get these two hydraulic motors out of this frame. And it's quite a job. It's very tight in here, very tight tolerances. So that's what we're going to do next. So you can see we've got the motor disconnected. We've pulled it away from the drive motor. Everything looks clear. And so now we're just going to lift it up.
Oops. Okay, hang on. Alright, so let's slowly go up. Alright, let's swing it out of the way. There we are. This is where our leak was, right here, right at this point. It happened to be right to the bottom. So you're going to see what's going on, leaking here, here, or there. I don't think it was here, probably up top here, crack or some sort of thing. So, next up, look at it, see what's going on. This This is where we come out and look at that. Years of accumulation. Look at that. It's going to be all cleaned up. Hopefully it's all good afterward. So Tom, what kind of job that was?
That was a miserable job. Miserable.
It's just mucky and miserable. There's no doubt about
How
that.
case mechanics work on these things in the early days, I do not know.
Yeah. Yes.
They must have been contortionists.
All right, hope that helps, guys. Okay, bye.